How to pay Lazada Pay Later using Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pay Lazada Pay Later using Gcash. Open the Lazada app and log in to your account. All the products will show on the home screen. Tap on the accounts bar at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and you will see various options at the end. Swipe right to view more options. Tap on the wheel icon at the top right corner to open settings. Go to the help option and you'll be directed to the help center. You can get help with your problem. Tap on the search bar and type Pay Lazada Pay Later. You have to make sure to check your spelling and use general words. Go to Payments and search How I Pay for a Last Pay Later bill. Scroll down and you will see all the steps to pay for the Last Pay Later bill. First, enter the Last Pay Later page on your account and tap Pay Now. You have to confirm your payment amount. Select the payment method. Then tap on Confirm Selection. You can check your repayment records on the transaction history page. You can see the available payment methods to pay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.